Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Facebook account privacy settings and alerts, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Facebook account privacy settings and alerts, begin by logging into your Facebook account. Once logged in, look for the downward arrow in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the downward arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings to open the Settings page. On the left side of the Settings page, find and click on Privacy. In the Privacy section, you will see several options to manage your settings. Start with Who can see your posts, and select your preferred audience. You can choose from options like Public, Friends, or Only Me. Scroll down to the Future Posts section to adjust who can see your future posts. Next, look for Limit the audience for posts you shared with friends of friends or public. Click on Limit past posts to restrict visibility on previous posts. Return to the Privacy Settings menu and find Who can send you friend requests. You can change this setting to everyone, or here you can manage who can look you up using your email address or phone number. Check the options and adjust them to your preference. Now, return to the main settings page and click on Notifications on the left side. In the Notifications section, you can customize how you receive alerts. Choose the notification types you want to manage, including privacy alerts. Adjust the settings to receive alerts for changes to your privacy settings. Finally, check the timeline and tagging section to control who can post on your timeline. Review and adjust these settings to ensure your timeline remains private. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, take a moment to review your privacy settings. It's important to keep your settings updated as Facebook features evolve. Remember to routinely check your privacy settings to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.